Hello everyone. Today we are back with another video. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8, Who is Heavier, the word problems of this chapter. So you have learned the unit conversions. Today we will discuss word problems. So let us begin. First word problem. Before we start solving the word problems, let me tell you, whenever you get any word problems, please read the word problem. It might happen that when you read it first time, you might not understand. So read it 2 or 3 times. Once you understand the problem, it will be very easy for you to solve it. So let us first read the problem. Anil bought 3 kg potatoes, 5 kg 200 gram tomatoes and 1 kg 500 gram pulses. What is the total weight of all the things Anil bought? So what is the question? It is said a person, Anil, he has bought 3 things in different quantity. Quantity means in amount. How much potato has he bought? He has bought 3 kgs of potato. He has bought 5 kg 200 gram of tomatoes and 1 kg 500 grams of pulses. So now, what is your question? The question is, what is the total weight of all the things Anil bought? So you have to find the total weight. What do you mean by total? We have learned in the chapter of give and take or fun with give and take. There are keywords. So keyword total stands for addition, right? So we will add. So now how will you write the statement, students? Now it is almost at the end of the academic year. So you have to learn writing statements. So how we will write weight of potatoes, how much? 3 kgs. Since nothing in gram is mentioned, I have written 000 grams. Weight of tomatoes 5 kg, 200 gram. Weight of pulses 1 kg, 500 grams. So next statement will be, therefore total weight of all the objects Anil bought. Or you can write items or things, whatever. So when you add, how much you get? When you add 3 kgs, 5 kg, 200 gram, 1 kg, 500 gram, you get 9 kg, 700 gram. And in case of word problem, your final answer is very, very important. So you have to write, therefore, total weight of all the objects Anil bought is 9 kg, 700 gram. Right? Read the problem once, then try solving it in your own way by writing the statement in your own format. Okay, that is how we will learn. So go through the problem once again. Question number 2. What is question number 2? It is said total weight of Sonal's bag is 15 kg. She has 12 kg 400 gram of rice and sugar in her bag. Find the weight of the sugar in Sonali's bag. Now it is said total weight of Sonali's bag is 15 kg. Out of 15 kg, 12 kg 400 gram is the weight of the rice that she has bought. And rest is the weight of the sugar. So now you have to find how much sugar has Sonali in her bag. So to find it out, the weight of sugar, what you need to do? Again I am saying total weight of Sonali's bag is 15 kg. Out of 15 kg, 12 kg 400 gram is the weight of rice. So how much is the weight of sugar? So if you have to find the weight of the sugar, definitely you need to subtract. So when you are subtracting, what will be your statements? Total weight of Sonali's bag 15 kg. Since there is nothing mentioned in gram, so we are writing 15 kg and 000 gram. Then weight of rice in her bag. How much rice she has in her bag? 12 kg 400 grams. So write 12 kg 400 gram. Therefore weight of sugar in her bag to find the weight of sugar, what you need to do? To find the weight of sugar, you have to subtract. So when you subtract, how much you get? 2 kg, 600 grams. So that is the weight of sugar in Sonali's bag. So write it down. Weight of sugar in Sonali's bag is 2 kg, 600 gram. Okay. Our third question. Let us read the question first. As I have been telling you, whenever you get word problems, first read the questions nicely. So this one, let us read it properly. What is the question? A bag has 5 kgs of apple. There are 10 such bags. Find the total weight of apples in 10 bags altogether. So now let us understand the question. It is said a bag has 5 kg of apples. So in a bag, there are 5 kg apples. Now, like this bag in which there is 5 kg of apples, there are 10 bags. In each of the 10 bags, there is 5 kg of apples. So now the question is, you have to find the total weight of all the bags which contain 5 kg of apples. That is, you have to find the total weight of 10 bags which is containing 5 kg of apples each. I am saying again, here the question is, one bag has 5 kg of apples. Like this one bag, there are 10 other bags. So you have to find the total weight of all the bags which contain this 5 kg of apples. So what you need to do here? Now look here, it is like you have to find the similarity. One bag has 5 kg of apples, 10 bags also have 5 kg of apples each. That means the quantity of apple in each bag is same. So we can easily multiply and solve the question. So let us multiply. So for that, what will you write as a statement? Weight of apples in each bag, 5 kg. Number of bags, how many? 10. So therefore, total weight of 10 bags altogether is 50 kg. So, as I told you, you have to always write a final answer. Your final answer will be total weight of 10 bags altogether are 50 kgs. Simple, right? Now let us move on to the fourth and the last question. Okay, our fourth and the last question. Let us read the question. It is said there is 15 kg 600 gram of wheat. It is to be divided equally among 3 families. How much wheat will each family get? As I have been telling you, whenever you get word problems, first you need to read the word problems nicely. So now once we have read, let us understand what does the problem want us to do. It is said there is 15 kg 600 gram of wheat grains. This wheat grain is divided equally among 3 families. Now what do you mean by divided equally? Divided equally means every family will get same amount or the same quantity of wheat. So now students, look here, in the question itself your answer is hidden. Now how come is that? It is said the wheat grains are divided equally. So division, by the question only you get to know that you need to perform division operation in this sum to find an answer. So now if you have to divide, what will be your statements? Let us go through that. It is said, now write the statements. Total quantity of wheat 15 kg 600 gram. Number of families 3. So therefore quantity of wheat each family will get 15 kg 600 gram divided by 3. When you do the division, what will be your answer? It will be 5 kg 200 grams. So write your final answer. Quantity of wheat each family will get is 5 kg 200 grams. Is it clear? First read the question nicely, understand it, and then try and solve. Don't just jump into the question, because in case of word problems you need to understand it very nicely. Okay, so here are a few questions for you. Solve them and let me know the answer. Make sure you write proper statements. Few more questions. Students, read the questions and then solve it with proper statements, okay? Thank you for watching. If you have any problem, go through the video once again. Try and solve the questions given. So, we will meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.